Hey guys, Abs here. We've released an update to the Socividz software, we've added some new features and we've added some new controls, and in this video I'm going to be taking you through the changes. The very first thing that I want to bring to your attention is every time we do release an update to the Socividz software, then we actually update a file that resides in the Socividz application folder. So this is the folder that I go to when I want to open up Socividz, and in this same folder I'll find a file called releasenotes.txt, and if I open this I can actually find notes of when the software was updated and notes of what was actually updated inside of the software. So we continue to keep this updated as and when we do update the software, and of course when you do want to update the software, then all you have to do is double click the socividz.exe and it will automatically update if there is a new version available. If not, if it doesn't prompt you to update, then that means you are on the latest version. Okay, so let me take you through the changes now. So the very first change is inside of the YouTube syndication feature, or inside of the YouTube syndication module. Now when you add a YouTube URL to get likes, comments, subscribers and views for, then you previously only had one field, which was the max likes that you'd like to get, or the max comments and max subscribers you'd like to get. But what you can do now is have a daily limit as well. So what this allows you to do is drip feed likes and comments and engagement to your YouTube videos on a daily basis. So for example, a YouTube video URL that I enter in here, I can now tell the software that I want to receive a maximum of 100 likes to that video, but I don't want to receive no more than 3 likes to that video on a daily basis. So this is brilliant. The only thing that I need to be sure of is that I have enough credits inside of the system for me to be able to continue to receive them likes and comments and whatever on a daily basis. And in order to do that, I will just use the earn credits feature, maybe log into the system once, twice or 3 times a week, spend 10 minutes, perform some views, perform some likes and comments, and in return my videos will get real likes and comments and views on them from real users just like you and just like myself. Now we've also had to update all of the videos that are already in the system. So if you've got videos inside of the system, guys, then do come along and click on edit and make sure that you do edit them, because all of the videos have been set. I've already made some edits on mine, but all of the videos have been set for a maximum of 5 per day. And if your videos have only got a few views, then having 5 comments coming to them on a daily basis or 5 likes coming to them on a daily basis doesn't look very natural. So come along and edit your videos and add your maximum and your daily limits as you'd like them to be added, and then click on save. Okay, another change that we've made to the system as well, guys, is we actually received a number of emails from users making notes that they were trying to perform views on videos, but the videos weren't, or they were not able to view the videos. And the reason behind that, guys, was because either due to your location, and sorry, it wasn't due to anything to do with your own accounts, it was due to the way the video was actually set up. So the video, when it was uploaded to YouTube, it might have been set up to show in certain locations and not to show in other locations, and it might have been set up to allow comments from certain locations and not other locations as well. And the frustrating part of it all was when you click on pull new videos, then it will continue to pull that same video, and there wasn't nothing that you could really do about it. But there is now. So this is another update that we've made. What you can do now is, let's say for example you find a video and you click on play and you find out that you can't play that video. Let me just go over to another video so I can pause it. So let's say for example I wasn't able to play this video. What I can do now is click on this button here which says report a problem, and if I click on report a problem, then it only works local to my machine and to my Socividz version. Then what this will mean is the next time I click on pull new videos, then it's not going to show that video again when I do click on pull new videos. Now it only works local to my Socividz version, guys, and the reason behind that is because a video that I might not be able to view from my location doesn't mean somebody else in another location might not be able to view that. So as a result, when you do click on report a problem, then it only means that you're not going to be able to pull that same video, or that video is not going to show again the next time you click on pull new video. Now we actually made another update a little while back, which I mentioned in the webinar. If you wasn't able to make it to the webinar, then the way then the update that we made was you can now actually view the video in a browser. So we actually had a number of users making notes that, you know what, they saw some videos and they really liked the videos and they wanted to buy the service, but they weren't able to visit the videos. So you can actually click on view in browser, and if you click on view in browser, it'll actually take you over to that video now, and you can actually view the video here, which is brilliant. Okay, so let me take you over to some other updates that we've made as well. Okay, another update that we've made is you can now choose the Google location for when the software goes and checks if Google is showing a video on the first page of Google. So let me show you where you can do this. Inside of the settings tab, you now got another area saying default search or default search location for Google, and when you click on this, you've got a drop down menu and you can actually choose the Google location of your choice. And if you don't see the Google location of your choice down here, guys, then just send us an email and I'm sure we'll be able to get that added for you. You can choose the Google location of your choice, you can set it and you click on save. When you click on save, as you'll see, it'll be saved over. I'm going to keep it to google.com. Even though I'm in the UK, it will work with google.com as well for me, and it won't divert over to google.co.uk. Now what happens here is when you go over to, say, for example, the keyword research script, and you go on here and let's say, for example, I click on, I search for SEO. Now when I click and check if Google is showing a video on the first page, this is actually showing google.com results or whatever location I entered inside of the settings tab. So that's brilliant. It also works for our black label enterprise users inside of the competition analysis area. So whatever Google location you've entered inside of here, it's going to be working with the competition analysis tab, and it's going to be working with the keyword discovery tab as well. So that's brilliant as well. We've also made another update which I made a note about in the webinar, which I haven't been able to make a video about, so I'll make them updates now as well. We received a number of emails from users making us aware when they were performing local searches, then it wasn't really pulling up local results. So I'm going to give you an example now. So plumber, let's say I had plumbers and I clicked on search. As you can see from this search here, we've got things like plumbers Brisbane. Now I'm not using any proxies or anything like that, and I'm searching from the UK, so really that isn't very local. So we've actually made an update to overcome this now as well. So you can perform both of the search types still. You can still perform your normal basic search, but if you do want to perform a local search, then all you have to do is check this checkbox here and now click on search, and this will make sure it gets a local search for you, which is local to your IP. And as you can see here, we've got plumbers in North London now, which is much more local to me as I'm based in the UK. And of course this works with all of the versions here, Pro, Basic and Advanced. And of course YouTube keyword tool is all based on Google, and sorry, is all based on the YouTube results, and there's no need to check the checkbox area here. Okay, so that was another update that we made as well, and we made notes about this in the actual webinar. So just a quick recap, guys, we've made an update to the YouTube syndication feature. You now have a maximum limit per day that you can do, so you can drip feed your engagement to your videos. You can also now disable videos from showing in YouTube, from showing when you actually pull videos by clicking the report a problem, and you can view videos inside of a browser as well by clicking view in browser, and at the same time you can set the Google location for where you want to see if Google's going to be showing a video on the first page of Google, and you can now perform local keyword searches when performing keyword research as well. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoy working with the new videos, the new Socividz version, and we still got many more updates to come that I'm going to be keeping you in the loop about. So thank you very much for your time, and I hope you enjoy working with the new Socividz version.